JSD, and I'm visiting my Monkey City world after months, not years. Jeez, I want to see what this is like. Oh, it's gonna take forever to load. Dude, I'm nervous. Wonder what's gonna happen. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Oh shoot. I'm nervous. Oh. This one. It's much better. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh. Dang, it's a lot of attacks. Oh my gosh. Nah, whatever. Yo, I haven't played this in ages. This is like lit. Oh man, this is just great. I love this world. Look at how good it was. Oh, I should do some attack. Are these all Oh My God surprises? Oh my gosh, those are Oh My God surprises. Actually, I could do this. I'll do it right now. Show you what's my strategy. Spic Factory. It's Camariko Pain. Let's call Ninja. Oops. Yeah, in Camariko Pain, there's only, well, not only, but mostly camo and regrow balloons. Ninjas are really good with that, so use them. I think I got max for everything. You see, you don't want to lose in any of these battles, because if you do, yeah, you're gonna build buildings will be damaged, and yeah. Don't want that to happen. Ooh. You can get lightning. Boring wave. I love it when only like rushes you. Just love when that happens. Just pops all of them. So satisfying. Bunjutsu. Just gotta wait. Oh, that's damage. What else is damaged? Bomb shooter? Boomerang? Oh well, it's not much. Ooh, that's scary. That's really scary. Come on, Bujutsu. I want to put a... Oh, I can't. So yeah, let's go. I don't have an excuse. Ooh, scary. 3 Dart Monkey. Nah. this might be boring you out, guys, so I'll just stop the video. But like if you want to see more, and subscribe. See ya.